Meaning of equal sign.
Equal sign.
Equal sign.
Equal sign.
Equal sign. The equal sign is a symbol used to indicate that two things are equal in value or are equivalent. It is commonly used in mathematics and computer programming to represent the relationship between two numbers, variables, or expressions. When two values are connected by an equal sign, it means that the two things have the same value. This allows us to perform equations, comparisons, and calculations with ease. In essence, the equal sign forms the foundation of algebra and is an essential tool in problem solving and reasoning.